Hello, this is Sahil from Finance Taught by Teens, and for our first video, we will be talking about why market indices are a terrible indicator of the overall stock market. Let's jump right in. During this pandemic, large cap companies have seen a surge in demand. These include Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and others. Many investors have been flocking to these companies as they are seen as safe bets during this tough time. As of Thursday, Apple's market cap was 1.578 trillion, Microsoft's was 1.6564 trillion, and Amazon's was 1.441 trillion. Here we see the number of Robinhood users holding these companies. This number has almost exponentially been increasing in recent times. The increase in people buying the stock of these companies has driven the stock price for all three companies. Next, we will look at components of the major indices. As you can see, Apple accounts for almost 10% of the Dow. 7 large cap tech companies account for over 50% of the Nasdaq. And Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Google, and Microsoft account for 22% of the S&P 500. The large cap tech companies are boosting the major indices, causing other stocks to rise as well. These indices are very unbalanced, as you can see. Finally, we will talk about the year-to-date returns of sectors. As you can see, 10 sectors are down year-to-date, while only 3 are up year-to-date. Even though the 3 major indices have either returned or almost returned to their pre-pandemic levels, this is not the case for a majority of US sectors. So how can you find a better indicator of the overall stock market? Well, you can look at equal weighted index funds. These are funds that invest the same amount of money into each company that the index contains. Another way to track the overall stock market is by using the Wilshire 5000 Index or the CRSP US Total Market Index. These indices attempt to track the overall US stock market. There is no perfect method to track the overall stock market. However, these methods should provide a better idea of the overall stock market. Thank you for watching our video. Stay tuned for future videos like this one. This is Sahil from Finance Taught by Teens. See you later.